If you spent years trapped in a cycle of dieting and exercising without seeing any lasting results, today I'm going to share some things that would have helped me drop 50 pounds a lot quicker and see my abs for the very first time. So number one, if you're looking to start your fat loss journey, do not focus on a calorie deficit, do not focus on a diet, do not focus on protein, do not focus on exercise. The thing that you need to focus and get right is your mentality. The version of you that's in shape, that has the muscles, that has the six pack, thinks and acts very, very differently in their day-to-day life, especially when it comes to food. So before you go losing any weight, you need to establish these fundamentals. Every decision that you have in your life, think about this. What would the ideal version of me do in this situation? That person is going to be picking actions and behaviors that are in line with deferred gratification, putting off the pleasure now so you can reap the rewards later. Do that in every single area. If you need help making those mental shifts, that is exactly what I teach you inside of the school. There's multiple modules that you can go through to fix your mindset so you can start burning fat. If you need help with that, just hit the link in the pinned comment. With that being said, number two, now we fixed your mentality, I now need you to become very, very robotic and very mechanical in nature. This is what's going to make fat loss easy. Think like a buffoon. What would a buffoon think? Okay, they just go from A to B, remove the friction, make things effortless. If you make them effortless, they're easy. We like easy. Okay, overweight people, they love easy. If you love easy, you're more likely to do the thing. You're more likely to strip the fat off your body and get the physique that you deserve. The times that you wake up, the times that you head to bed, the foods that you eat, exactly the same. So become robotic and become mechanical in nature, and I will show you, I promise you, your journey will be 10 times easier. Now there's another part of fat loss that not a lot of people talk about. For you to lose fat, well, you need to understand that you need to be selfish. What do I mean by this? Do I mean you have to go around and act like a dick to everybody? No, I'm not saying that at all. During this phase, you need to realize the only person that comes first is you. Does that mean that you're going to see people less? Yes. Does it mean you're going to have less fun experiences? Yes. But remember, you've embarked on this mission. You've embarked on this journey to be a better version of yourself. You can't be extraordinary by doing ordinary things. It's like comparing apples to oranges. The two just keep clashing. They're not going to go together. So you're going to have to make some sacrifices. You're going to have to be selfish. You're going to have to say no to things. You're going to have to turn things down. That is just a natural process that anybody who has been through this transformation will tell you for a fact. I can tell you now, I'm here and you're here. Everything on this side, it is all worth it. It is so much better. Everything on this side is worth everything that you sacrifice when you're over here. So once you realize that selfishness is normal, don't feel bad, don't feel guilty about it. You will pass this fat loss chapter of your life like a exam. I promise you that. And again, if you need people that you can connect with along your journey, people that understand you can come and join our school community. It's in the very early stages at the minute, but selfishness is a core component of a fat loss journey, and it can't be neglected or it can't be negated. Otherwise you will struggle and you will likely fail. Now once you've done that, you found your clique, you found your people, you need to realize that you likely have a lot more fat to lose. Okay, oftentimes people don't realize how fat they actually were until they've lost the weight. Every time I got to my milestone, I thought to myself, okay, just 5 more pounds, just 5 more pounds, just 5 more pounds. And I had to keep going and going and going and going and going. So realize that once you get to your destination, your goal weight, what you may think is your dream body, just realize that you probably have a lot longer to go. Think about it this way. You didn't become overweight overnight. Okay, boy, try to say that 5 times in a row. You didn't become overweight I'm struggling already. That's only my second time. You didn't become overweight overnight. That's years of damage and years of that you've been putting into your body that's been accumulating over an extended period of time. So of course, don't be surprised if it takes you, months to not even years sometimes, depending on how heavy you are, of course, to lose all of the fat that you've put on. So once you realize that you have a lot more fat to lose, you manage your expectations and you set realistic expectations, your journey becomes a whole lot easier. Why? Because you're being honest. You're not deluding yourself and you're not going crazy. Think about every single time that you've been disappointed. It's likely because I can take a guess in saying that your expectations for said thing, whatever it was, were far too high, which is why you were disappointed. So this particular tip is going to be very, very valuable to those of you who are watching right now, and those of you who go and join the school community. You're going to love this one because you need to realize that we cannot, under any circumstances, go back to the way that we were eating before, whether that's the way that you used to think about food and the way that you used to see it. You have to cease that mindset, because if you revert back to the old habits that you once had, you will gain the weight quick like that. I've been there time and time again. I've rebounded so many times. I've met people who have come to me and say that, listen, I did everything you said, but then I gained the weight back. What happened is because they got to the end, they got to the finish line and they look around and they're like, what now? oh, well, let me just go and order some pizza. Let me go and have the cookies and the biscuits and everything. And they just throw all of that hard work in the bin. They neglect and they abandon all of the habits that they've been working on for the past couple of weeks and couple of months. You cannot afford to revert to the old mindset that you had, because then you're going to end up in the yo-yo dieting cycle and you're going to end up right back at square one. If you need a step-by-step blueprint, you want me to hold your hand through your fat loss journey, okay, and almost do it for you, then hit the link in the pinned comment. If you join now, you get 27% off. On top of that, you get 3 free bonus modules. You get a bunch of free diet and workout plans. And if all of that wasn't enough to put your mind at rest, there is a full 30-day guarantee. So for whatever reason, if you do not like it, just shoot me an email and I will send you your money back. I hope all of that was very helpful, very, very informative.